Hello, my name is Sam from Gamecache, and today I will be showing you how to set up a dedicated server using port forwarding. This method will work for any Steam game, like Rust and Counter-Strike, but today we are going to use Garry's mod as an example. Firstly, you will want to download Steam Cmd. The link will be in the description below. After you have installed Steam Cmd, run it and enter the following commands into the entry field in the command prompt window. Login space anonymous force_install_dir/c:/ and the desired folder for the server files, app_update, the game's dedicated server ID, space validate. Each game has a dedicated server ID. In this instance, we'll be using the ID for Garry's mod. You can find the ID for any game by doing just a quick Google search. And once it is finished, you will need to navigate to the folder where it is saved, and you will need to add a .bat file, which you'll run in order to start up the server correctly. You can get a dedicated server bat file by just simply Googling it. Ensure that you get the correct one relevant to your game. Now copy and paste the contents of the bat file into a notepad document, and then click File, Save As, select .bat from the drop-down menu, and you will need to save it into the server directory. If your bat file specifies the server IP, change it to 0.0.0.0.0. Doing this will allow it to change your IP address. Now, in order to port forward your IP, you will need to go into your router settings. For this example, I will be using BT. However, this will vary depending on what internet provider you have. To find out how to port forward on your specific router, visit portforward.com or continue watching. You will now need to find your router's port forwarding setting and set up a new port. You will need to input the game server's port into the specified field marked port. This will ensure that your router has an open port for the game server. For this example, we will be using Garry's mod, the port of which is 27015. In some instances, you may need to specify which device on the network is being used. This may vary dependent on what provider you use. Once you've done all of that, you can then save and run the bat file you created earlier in the game directory. You should have now successfully opened up the server, and anyone should be able to join unless you change the server settings otherwise. If this is not working for you, then you have most likely set up port forwarding wrong. If you cannot set up port forwarding for one reason or another, please refer to our Hamachi server setup video. Hopefully this video has helped you. If not, be sure to let us know down in the comments. Be sure to check out our other videos, including our Hamachi server setup tutorial. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Any support is much appreciated. And be sure to stay subscribed for future videos. Thanks for watching.